Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to dive into Instagram and learn how to find those old stories you might have missed. Start by opening the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Look for the three lines in the top right corner and tap on them. Scroll down and select Archive. Swipe right on your profile page to reveal the Archive section. Here, you'll find all your archived stories. You can scroll through them. Tap on a story to view it in full screen. You can also share it with others. If you want to keep certain stories accessible for a longer period, you can highlight them. Select Highlight. You can refine your search by using the date filter. This allows you to find stories from specific time periods. And that's how you can easily find and view your old Instagram stories. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.